Hey guys, it's Albie here for another video, and today I will be doing an inventory update, so let's get started. My head flowers that are pretty cool because I like to make outfits with them. My sunglasses, my royal tiaras, my DJ headsets, my rare bow and arrows that are all alone and lonely, backpacks, I don't know why I said that, lava glove, all my gym holiday bows, headdresses, Halloween mask, and my antlers, rare mech, my Foxette collection, my sword collection, my elf bracelet collection, and then I have 3 beta tail armors and then 2 non-rare that are in stores. And then my 2 warns and then my 2 freedom wings. And my other rares. Okay. Oh yeah, and I forgot, I'm here with Watermelon Lollipop, XX Beta Thing 101, and Strawberry Gummy, and Cuban Boy was here, but he got offline and he disappeared. So, okay, so now my den items. Okay, my art easels, my globe, my heart couches I like to collect, my small table, I don't know where it is. I don't know what the other one is. I don't think I traded it. I don't know. My plushies, my epic croc plushie, crocodile plushie. That sounds wrong. Okay. And then my floors, and then 1 wall, 2 walls. Okay, so my here are my yellow sweets, 2 yellow sweets, my pink forest walls and blue vines. I do not know what's showing. I can prove to you. See, yellow sweets, forest walls, Cammy's frog, epic crocodile plushie, globe, fire pit, robot, ornament, rocking horse, and other yellow sweets, art easel. Yeah, just the glitch gets to it. Blue vines. Hold on, I can't read. Hold on. Well, I can read. It's hard to read during the video. Okay, yeah. Beta TVs. I don't know what the other one is. Another art easel. Wow, I think I have 3 now. I don't know. Another beta TV. Okay, that's it. Blah 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 blah. Okay, now my animals. I like my clan cat wolves. Please do not copy any of them. I will die. I don't know. I'm going to change into this one. Okay. Haha, yeah, mustache on. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And stay tuned because I will be making more, like every day or something. So don't forget to subscribe, favorite, comment, all that stuff. And as always, I'm LB87242. Bye!